Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you an easy but a very profitable strategy that you can use with accounts from as low as $20 to as much as 1,000, and you can make from as much as $100 to over $1,000 in a day if you follow the conditions and the rules of the strategy very well. So stick around till the end so you see how we're going to do it. So remember to watch, like, subscribe and comment. So we are going to start with as you can see, I already have the indicators on my charts, but we are going to remove them so that we can start together from the start. So we click on the indicators button and I'll delete all of them. Just a minute. I'll delete all the indicators. So we start with the main chart. We are going to start with the alligator. That is the alligator. So these are the settings for the alligator. Jaws period 13, jaws shift 5, teeth period 8, teeth shift 5, lips period 8, lips shift 3, method smooth, apply to median price, and then we have the jaw style is use the background color of your charts. Mine is white, so I'm going to use white. Then we have the teeth style, white, lip style, purple. Then you click done. That is it. And then the next is we're going to add the moving average. Moving average is going to be moving average 10, shift 0, method linear weight, apply to weighted close, and then style is we can use ping, no levels. That is it. And then next we're going to use second indicator window 2. Just click on the main chart, and then we have the stochastic oscillator. These are the settings. Percentage K period 21, percentage D period 9, slowing 9, price fill low, method symbol. Then on the styles we have main 1, and then signal 1, and then on the styles we have you can use the background color of your chart. For that case I'll use white since mine is white. Then on the levels, you set them as you can see. Done. And then the next indicator we are going to add is a MACD. Now you'll click on the indicator adding factor for window 1, MACD. And these are the settings. Fast EMA 12, slow EMA 26, MACD SMA 9, apply to open. Styles, you have the main, you can use color white, and then for the signal you use color red, no levels. Done. Sorry. And the MACD, The styles on the signal part use black. Yeah, that is it. And then on the next part, this is the indicator window 3 now. Click on the main chart here, and then you search for awesome oscillator. Awesome oscillator. Yes, these are the settings. Line wind 4 pixel, value up, leave them as they are, and then you click done. And that is it. Yeah, so let's do a try. Let's see whether we'll get a signal. Let's see whether we'll get a signal. About the zoom level, zoom out completely, and then zoom in once, zoom out completely, and then you zoom in once. Okay, so just before we start, I would like to tell you the conditions. We'll be using this as strategy for buying on crash and selling on boom. Buying on crash and selling on boom. Yeah, so these are the conditions. These are the conditions. Condition, for example, in this trade we have so many buy trades that were that met the conditions of our trade. So let's see. So let's start with this one. For example, I'm going to highlight them with these objects. Condition number 1, the black line on the indicator window for the MACD should be at least below the 20 level. And then another one, and the other condition is that on the awesome oscillator, for it to indicate a buy, the color of the bars should change from red to green. For example, from here it was red, then it changed to green. Yeah, that is another indicator condition. And then the other condition is that the candles should close above the pink moving EA, or at most above the blue moving EA. That is it. So those are the conditions for buy on crash. We have said that we'll be using this strategy for taking buys on crash and then taking sells on boom. So those are the conditions for buy. The other conditions, now we're going to look at sell. That is on boom 1000. On boom 1000, we're going to look at perfect condition for a sell. Let me get you one. So for example, we have it. The black line of the MACD should be above the 80 level, And then the other condition is the green bars on the awesome oscillator should change from green to red, should be on red, since now we are looking for sales. And then lastly, the candles, the sell candles should go below the pink moving average, or at most the blue moving average. Those are the conditions for sell. So the strategy, we'll use it on a time frame, 1 minute time frame. And for instance, at most the exit strategy, you should exit after you take you can when taking the sell trade, after the first candle below the pink EMA closes, you can take from this candle, from the second candle that opens, then you can take about at most 7 candles for you to be safe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can take at most 7, or you can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After the blue moving EA closes, you can also, let's say, add about a 5 after the blue moving EA closes. So you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's take 8 candles from when the candles go below the pink moving here. So you can take 8 candles. This is one condition that was met. Another one is here, very perfect condition. Another condition is here, very perfect condition. We also have another condition here, very perfect condition. Yeah, and then we may be having one. Let's wait and see whether we'll get to this one. And then we'll get this upcoming sell signal. Yeah, so another one is, let's see on crash whether we may have a signal. Yeah, on crash we had a signal, but it's way too far. How many is the candles now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You would be closing exactly after this candle closes up. That's when you close your trade. Yeah, this is a trade I took yesterday. Yeah, it's playing well, but that one was a long-term trade. They were still trying on demo. Strategy is working perfectly well. So you can try the strategy on demo, familiarize with it, and then when you get to know it very well, you can move to your live account. Let's see whether it's still coming up. Let's wait and see. Also, when you take a trade and then you got by a spike, what you do to be on the safe side, put a stop loss on top of the current spike. When you're caught by a spike and you had already taken a trade, and put the stop loss just above the current spike that caught you, and then let the the trade play. It will drop and go below your trade, the trade that you've taken, and then after you get the candles that we have agreed that we should take, you can close the trade. And let's wait and see whether we'll get a trade. Let's wait and see whether we are going to get one trade. Let's wait and see. See, this one is playing out so well. If somebody was in, they could have already made some very good amount of money by now. This early morning. Let's wait and see. You see this one? So no, so this one is not met the condition, so we can't count on that. The strategy mostly best works on boom 1000, crash 1000, boom 500, and crash 500. Those four mostly works best in those. Yeah, so let's wait and see whether we'll get a trade. We'll get a trade. This one may not work perfectly well because the black line has not yet crossed over the 80 level of the stock static. Yeah, so but as you can see from the conditions I had explained below of the previous buy trade boom, this one was, the black line was below the 20 level on the stock static. The candles closed above the the pink EMA. If you had taken a trade from here and taken 8 candles, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, by now you'd already have made some good money. So actually the trade works so well. The trade works so well. So I had paused so that we can have at least this condition met. I can take one trade. Use lot size of 1. Let's exit exactly when the 8th candlestick is met. Currently we are on 1. We are on the 3rd candlestick. We need 5 more. Let's wait and see. I'll pause and come back when the 8th candlestick is met. So we're back. We are now on the 7th candle. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Immediately after this 8th candle closes, I exit my trade. That's now we're at $3.83. Immediately that candle closes, we exit the trade. Let's wait and see. And do not hold longer to avoid being caught in a spike. Yeah, it's good to exit when the 8th candle closes. It's about to close. We have gotten to $4. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Actually it's closed. So we exit the trade. So guys, you can try this strategy, a very profitable strategy. Try it on your demo accounts. When you familiarize with it, you can try it. You can use it on your real account to make some good money. So thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe.